Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Indy 500 is probably one of the most iconic snowmobiles ever made, celebrated for its reliability and performance. This machine has been a favorite among riders for decades, offering a blend of power, agility, and comfort that's hard to beat. Whether you're a seasoned veteran or a newcomer to the sport, the Indy 500 promises an exhilarating ride across snowy landscapes, making it a top choice for winter adventures. Number 5. Polaris Indy 500 Snowmobile Cover. This cover is designed for Polaris Indy 500 models from 1998 to 2006. It's a great way to protect your snowmobile from the elements. Made with 200 denier polyester canvas, this cover is built to last. It's tough enough to withstand harsh weather conditions. Shield your snowmobile from snow, ice, rain, and the sun's damaging rays. This cover provides excellent protection year-round. The bungee hemline and belly strap ensure a secure fit. It's easy to put on and take off, and packs up small for storage. This semi-custom cover comes with quick-release clips and an attached storage bag. It's a convenient and practical solution for snowmobile storage. The package includes the cover, a strap, and a sewn-in storage bag. It's everything you need to keep your snowmobile protected. What we like. This cover is designed to shield your snowmobile from the elements. It's made with a durable 200 denier canvas, ensuring long-lasting protection. If you are looking for a reliable way to keep your snowmobile in top condition during storage, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. High-quality material, snug fit of elastic band around snowmobile, which is very good during high winds. Fits perfect on my 1999 Indy 500 Polaris. Perfect fit for my 2002 Indy 600 Classic touring snowmobile. It's easy to put on and take off. Number 4. TC motor filter for Polaris Indy 500. This is a TC motor filter, designed for Polaris Indy 500 models from 1994 to 1999. It's a direct replacement for OEM number 2620057, ensuring a perfect fit for your snowmobile. This filter fits various Polaris Indy 500 versions, including SKS, RMK, and EFI models. Make sure it is compatible with your specific model year before purchasing. Please carefully check all the pictures and sizes provided in the listing. This will help you confirm that it is the correct product you need for your snowmobile. The package includes one filter and a bonus bottle opener. This filter is a reliable replacement part to keep your snowmobile running smoothly. Remember that different parts can be used on the same model. It's always a good idea to check your existing filter before placing your order to ensure the perfect match. What we like. This filter is a direct replacement for your Polaris Indy 500. It fits multiple model years, ensuring compatibility. If you need a quick and easy replacement part and appreciate a little bonus, then this filter is a great option. What people say. Fit a 98 Polaris Indy Trail perfectly. Perfect fit for my 97 Indy 500. Seems to be a decent quality filter. Number 3. Polaris CDI Ignition Module for Snowmobile 1995 to 2000. This is a high-performance ignition module designed for your snowmobile. It's a quality replacement part that meets or exceeds OEM standards. This ignition module is an OEM-style replacement. It is designed to fit and function just like the original part. This module is compatible with Polaris Indy 500, Classic, SKS, and RMK snowmobiles from 1995 to 2000. Ensure it fits your specific model. The module is built to provide reliable performance in harsh winter conditions. It is designed for durability and long-lasting use. PWC Engine offers this high-quality ignition module at an awesome price. Get the performance you need without breaking the bank. What we like. This ignition module offers high-performance quality. It meets or exceeds OEM standards. If you are looking for a reliable and affordable upgrade to boost your snowmobile's performance, then consider this one. What people say. The Polaris Indy 500 is a great sled for trail riding. It has a comfortable seat and good suspension. The engine is reliable and provides plenty of power for most riders. Number 2. Polaris Snow Flap Guard 5410394-1038. This is a snow flap guard from Polaris. It's designed for snowmobiles. This part is engineered to fit your vehicle perfectly. Installing this snow flap guard is easy. You can quickly get it set up on your snowmobile. It's designed for a hassle-free experience. This snow flap guard, part number 5410394-1038, and all other Polaris engineered service parts, deliver unmatched performance. Each part is extensively tested in the field. All service parts are engineered specifically for your machine. This means everything is designed, tested, and perfected to maximize the life of your ride. Choosing Polaris engineered parts is a smart decision. It ensures the longevity of your snowmobile. This choice pays off in the long run. What we like. This snow flap guard is easy to install and designed specifically for your machine. It ensures a perfect fit and maximizes the life of your ride. If you want to maintain your snowmobile's performance with a genuine part, this is the one for you. What people say. Item came as seen in pictures. Quality of paint on the lettering is subpar. Number 1. SPI 09-720 Piston Kits for Polaris 500XE. Introducing the SPI 09-720 Piston Kits, designed for Polaris 500XE models. This kit includes everything you need for optimal performance, ensuring a smooth ride. Each kit comes with 2 pistons, ring sets, wrist pins, and circlips, as shown in the picture. It's a comprehensive solution for your engine needs. SPI pistons are engineered for efficient heat transfer to the cylinder walls. This design helps maintain engine performance and longevity. All components are manufactured to OEM specifications, ensuring they are interchangeable with original parts. You can trust its quality and compatibility. Featuring a T-moly series with Teflon molybdenum coating, it reduces friction and improves durability. This coating helps resist seizure and extends the life of the pistons. These pistons are designed for a standard bore size of 70.50 mm, make sure it fits your specific engine requirements. What we like. These pistons feature a T-moly coating to reduce friction and improve durability. They are manufactured to OEM specifications, ensuring a perfect fit. If you are looking to rebuild your engine with high-quality components, this kit will be a great choice. What people say. The Polaris Indy 500 is a great sled for trail riding. It has a comfortable seat and good suspension. The engine is reliable and provides plenty of power for most riders. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.